Guys, and welcome back to a brand new video with ReecyVidz. Today I'm going to be talking about why Leeds is changing so fast. So if you're interested in watching, then stay tuned and there's more to come. Leeds is transforming at a massive pace due to technology and professional services. Leeds is a massive regeneration hub and it has developed rapidly in the last 10 years. Leeds is a massive transport hub connecting all regions in the country, and it is a key focus for Transpennine route upgrade, as this is going to be one of the main stations on the route. So transportation is going to be improved, making frequent trains, better trains, longer carriages, and also a better connection for other cities. Also on top of that, it'll make commuter times a lot quicker. South Bank has been one of the major focuses in Leeds city centre. Over the last few years, South Bank has had a massive regeneration and there's been lots of construction taking place. The city centre is undergoing an expansion, so the city is getting bigger and also there's more people wanting to work and live in the city centre. Skyscrapers are getting built in Leeds city centre for demand for student accommodation. Students are wanting to study in Leeds from other places around the world, which is a massive positive for Leeds because then they're getting more people experiencing Leeds and Leeds is getting firmly on the map. It's not just Leeds city centre that's getting an upgrade. Leeds Bradford Airport is also improving. They're making a brand new terminal expansion, so the terminal will be a lot larger and also more pleasant to walk through. The airport is trying to get less stressful and more relaxing for passengers. The airport has expanded so that there's more of a lounge for people to sit and wait, and also there is food and drink and restaurants, which makes it more pleasant for people going on holidays or on business and leisure. This is also focused on green space, making parks and green areas around the city centre, such as Air Park, which is a major development on the south of Leeds, which is a nice park for people on the lunch breaks, people that are visiting Leeds and people that might be just out for the day. People want to come to Leeds and they want to experience Leeds for what it is, and I think that having a green space is a massive positive, because then if people want that bit of time out from the city centre and they just want to be out of the hustle and bustle, then the green space is perfect for that. The streets like the hedgerow have been transformed from car thoroughfares into accessible and pleasant places for people to walk, making it a more vibrant city scene. Also, Leeds United is getting an expansion. They are planning on regenerating the stadium and also focusing on homes, business and leisure around the area, making it a more friendly, pleasant area to be in. This is cultivated in a booming tech ecosystem, with digital technology rising faster than the national average. Thank you for watching my brief video on Leeds, and I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos to come in future. Bye everyone! It's too hot to be doing these videos. It's 30 degrees outside and I'm doing these videos in here in the attic, and it's like being in a greenhouse.